In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow copying, sharing, and forwarding messages on a Telegram channel in just a few simple steps. If your channel currently has message restrictions enabled, this setting can stop people from saving content, forwarding posts, or sharing your updates the way you want. So whether you're running a public community, a content channel, or a business broadcast channel, this tutorial will help you turn that option off quickly and safely. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful Telegram tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Telegram and go to the channel where you want to change the settings. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and click the channel name. This will open the channel profile info page, where you can manage the channel settings and control how your content behaves. On the profile info page, find and click Manage. This is where Telegram keeps the main administration controls for your channel. After that, select Channel Type. This section controls important channel options, including privacy, permissions, and content saving restrictions. Now scroll down until you find the Saving Content section. Here, Telegram gives you the option to restrict or allow saving and forwarding of your messages. If Restrict Saving Content is turned on, that means users may be blocked from copying, sharing, or forwarding your channel posts. To allow those actions again, simply toggle off the option that says Restrict Saving Content. Once you switch that option off, Telegram may ask you to confirm the change. Make sure you click Save. In some cases, you may need to click Save twice, so don't worry if the first confirmation doesn't fully apply the setting right away. Just confirm it again if needed until the changes are saved. After that, your channel should now allow copying, sharing, and forwarding messages normally. This is especially useful if you want your content to spread more easily, increase engagement, or make it simpler for members to share posts with others. If your goal is to grow your audience, this is one of the most important settings to check. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the channel or reopen the settings page to confirm that Restrict Saving Content is fully turned off. That way, you can be sure the permissions were updated correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to allow copying, sharing, and forwarding messages on a Telegram channel. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Telegram how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.